So hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm thinking about exploring the different art forms of different states of India. So मैंने सोचा कि why not to start it from my own state, Uttarakhand. And the famous art form of Uttarakhand is Aipan Art, and for that I'm going to use this plywood for making this Aipan chalky in it. So let's get started and hope for the best.
सो यहाँ पर मैं रेड एंड वाइट कलर का यूज़ करूँगी एंड सबसे पहले लेट्स प्रैक्टिस इट ऑन समथिंग स्मॉलर. तो ये रहा छोटा सा पॉट एंड लेट्स डू इट. ट्रेडिशनली ना वेमेन इसको बिना किसी टूल के अपने हाथों से बनाती थी, बट अब मोस्टली सभी पेंट और ब्रश का ही यूज़ करते हैं. ऑल्सो आई एम डूइंग इट आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग एंड इसलिए मुझे लगा कि मुझे पहले प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए एंड here I'm practicing quite well, I think, so I'm ready for doing it on the bigger chalky.
So finally I have painted this and it's looking quite good. So let's paint the actual one.
Let's go. Here I'm making the Saraswati chalky in it because she is the goddess of knowledge and art. And chalky का मतलब होता है जिसमें सरस्वती माँ विराजित होंगी, मतलब बैठेंगी. Got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hit. It is a kind of a rangoli only. मतलब बस फर्क इतना है कि इसमें traditionally red और white का ही use होता है. I'ma move fast, new shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. So it is a detailed one and it took me around 2 days to complete this work. क्योंकि इसमें टाइम लगता है and ये बहुत ही minute work है. तो as you can see.
So finally it is completed and hope you guys like the final results. So let's have a look. So hope you guys like the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.